You all can participate in IIT Kharagpur technical event that is called Chitiz. Hello and welcome friends on this channel of Career Edge, and in this video we are going to talk about various events organizing by IIT Kharagpur. But before beginning, please subscribe our channel for getting this type of videos always. And here is the events. First is Indian Case Challenge. This event is sponsored by Jindal Steel Limited, and here the prize money is 80,000. This ICC event is for business and entrepreneur skills. So next is Sand Rover, where there is a prize money of rupees 30,000. Moving to the next, this is the event of building a digital circuits, and here you got the prize money of 40,000 if you win this competition. Next is of business B plan event, where there is a prize money of 60,000. Two more events are there. I'm going to show you here. The next event is of hackathon overnight. This event is called overnight. This is an online coding event, and here is the prize money is 40,000. And the next is math olympiad, where you got the questions of maths, all are MCQ problems, and this is also an online exam where you need to firstly get a rank in first 40, and after that there is one more round where you need to achieve the first position to get rupees 10,000 cash as a prize money. Next is the workshop. There are two workshops. First is from Google Developers Expert, where you get to know about deep learning and robustness. Next is from CodeSafe, where you got to know about how to start a competitive programming. And here is the list of activities. Firstly, there is a guest lecture, and after that exhibitions, workshops and mega shows. All are online events, so you all can participate. Now there is no need to travel to the IIT Kharagpur. You can online participate in all these events. This is open for all, and here are the sponsors. And now I am going to show you how to sign up for these events. You see all the events. Here is the sign up process. Firstly, there is a need of your name, email address, gender, phone number, college name, college ID, department, city, state, password and confirm password. And I already created my account, so I just sign in. After you creating account, you just tap on sign in and you can sign in on your account. Here you got to see here there is an event of overnight where I clicked, and here I am going to register for this. Here is the prize money of 40,000, and this is co-sponsored by Synopsys. And here you can make your team. So you can make a group of the coders and take part in this event of hackathon. There is a prize money of 40,000, and also this is sponsored by IIT Kharagpur and co-sponsored by Synopsys. Synopsys is a software developing company based Noida and Bangalore. So you also get a certificate of if you got any rank or any decent position in these hackathons and in these events. So we are going to see the next event, and the next event I am going to open is Maths Olympiad. So here you can see at the last there is a Math Olympiad where there is a prize money of 10,000. When you tap on it, here you can see there is an option of explore now. When you tap on it, you can see here there is also contact information with all the events are there. You can contact directly to event organizers, and here you can see there are MCQs question, and this is online exam, so you all can participate from your home. There is no prerequisite, but for getting a decent position in this Maths Olympiad or selecting in the first 40 participant, you need to have a much better math skills and having problem solving skills for this. Next is the Sand Rover event. Here this is also online where you need to show your robots online by video conferencing, where there are a team of judges, a group of judges who evaluate you through the video call, and if you and your robots perform better, then you can win the prize money of 40,000. So here are the list of events you all can see and can participate. There is a link in the description. Go through it. Must sign up for this event and participate, because this is a unique event, and you also got some certificate from IIT Kharagpur and different companies.